I think they will go to the Kuta art market. How was it? How was it? Good? Good fun? Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, mine. Beautiful girl.
Welcome to Bali!
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali around Kuta art market, and that is Kuta Square in this area. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And I will make videos start from the Pantai Kuta Street, exactly beside Kuta Square, and then I will make walking until Kuta art market area. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kuta Bali, just make sure watch the video until the end. And as I'll tell you, I will make videos start from Pantai Kuta Street. Actually not so far from the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Yeah, the weather today just so hot. It's still like around 33 degrees. Really hot for Bali now. But it's better than rain, isn't it? Okay, let me show you around here, exactly at the front Pantai Kuta Street, and then I will walk around until Kuta art market area. Yeah, this is Pantai Kuta Street. If I turn left, there's the way to go to Kuta Beach. Let me show you. Yeah, over there around 400 meters, 300 meters is Kuta Beach. And as I told you, I will make video until Kuta art market. This is Kuta Square today. Wow, quite busy over there, isn't it? That's good. Also, the traffic is quite heavy. And yeah, today I make video on 12 p.m. midday. Let's see how busy Kuta Bali today. This is heart of Kuta Bali. It's the most legend area in Kuta Bali. We have to get there. We will see a lot of tourists in Kuta Bali today. Wow, few tourists over there. Not bad.
Like Bali t-shirt, you have Bali.
Traffic quite heavy from south. And they're just coming from Kartika Plaza Street. Bagus watch. Yeah. Also famous and recommended. Wow, few trees over there. It's good. Okay, let's continue walking at Kuta Square area. I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. Not really busy, really sad. Central Kuta Bali, and also quiet in this area. Wow. And long time ago, there is a big department store we call Matahari Square, the most legend mall in Kuta Bali. And I think you know that if you are been Bali long time ago, because this is very famous. But now they are closing down since the pandemic happening. It's just really sad. Let me at left side. Let me show you over there. Yeah, this is the building of Matahari Square. They are closing down since the pandemic happening. Really sad, isn't it? Whoa. So sad. Welcome to Bali. I think they're watching my video, so they know. They know me. I think so. You see Cross Street at the left side? Wow. Future is over there. It's quite busy over there, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali, around Kuta Center area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Confirm, so quiet in this area. Really bad, really sad. And last time, this is a restaurant we call Sendo Restaurant. Also very famous, but I don't know why. Since the pandemic, they are still open, but then they are closing down. What's happening? I don't know. Really hot. Bali is so hot today. That's good, better than the rain, isn't it? I hope this video also will bring you back memories when you are ever been shopping in this area. In Kuta Bali, at Kuta Square area. And this is Bakung Sari Street. It's over there. Bakung Sari. And at my right side is Kuta Market. I think they will go to the Kuta Market because Kuta Market is just over there. And this is also beach over there around 400 meters from here. Welcome to Bali! Welcome to Bali. Oh wow, good driver. Okay, so this is Kuta market over there. But now I will keep continue walking on Kartika Plaza Street. Wow, it's really quiet in this area. Really sad. On the sidewalk, we can sit together. It's almost empty. Wow. Left side is stadium. James Blanket. We've been there with James Blanket. Having a beer. And this is art market. That's good. Good for shopping. How was it? How was it? Good? Good fun. They're beating you.
They're getting me.
Yeah.
I'm one of them. They know my name. I've got the most distance. Why? It feels so weird. It's like sacrifice on your face. I don't know. They're going all on my legs. Look at Jabba. You said the most distance.
They're having fun there. It's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Kartika Plaza Street. Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like along the street, the traffic is not really heavy, and also on the sidewalk, it's quite empty at Kartika Plaza. Really sad, isn't it? We hope together Bali is getting busier and busier again. Getting more tourists come to Bali. And this is seafood restaurant. Usually now it's lunchtime. Should be busy but still very quiet. Mostly in this restaurant is famous for dinner time. Dinner time is more tourists in this restaurant. Wow. You see on the sidewalk? It's almost empty, isn't it? Oh, really sad. What's happening here? So sad. So bad. This is also a Chinese restaurant. Seafood restaurant. Seafood house. See that? Oh my goodness. So quiet, so empty. Kuta Paradiso Hotel. And we have another sport bar on Kartika Plaza Street called Matilda. Maybe it's still quiet over there because in the afternoon it's more tourists over there. But let's sit together. Left side, wow, few tourists over there. And this is Matilda Sport Bar. It's very quiet. Not busy yet. Busy soon. We hope so. Wow. Yeah, two tourists there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, mine. Beautiful girl. So pretty, yeah. It's my second wife.
That's good.
Okay, let's keep continue walking on Kartika Plaza Street. But it's very quiet, just really sad and silly. Melasti Kuta Beach Hotel. Quiet, isn't it? You see, on the sidewalk is empty. Really sad. It's just really sad, isn't it? Okay, guys. So this is our unit today in Kuta Bali, around Kuta Square, the central of Kuta Bali, the heart of Kuta Bali. Okay, guys. If you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there's some people around the world they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the news station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Really sad, really quiet.